Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly show you these sticky notes that I got in these sticky pads. So this comes with a variety of colors. I'm going to open this up and show you guys. So these are in the smaller size. They're about the size of my hand. I love using these for work, for to-do lists, anything like that. So let's see what this pack comes with. So we have two of the blue. Let's get my camera into focus here. Got two of the blue. Two purple, two yellow, two green, pink, and orange. So let me see here. So these are sticky ones. So when you peel it off, you can then stick it right onto something else. And here is the pile of rainbow colors that you get.